Hi viewers, today I would like to show you all how to use limits on Instagram. Limit unwanted interaction. First, open Instagram app. Make sure your Instagram app up to date. Tap profile icon on bottom right. Then tap three horizontal lines on top right. Go to settings. From Instagram settings, tap privacy. Here you will find limits under interactions. By default, limits off. Tap limits. Limit unwanted interactions. We will recommended groups of accounts you may want to limit comments and messages from. Limited comments and messages will be hidden unless you approve them. This would not affect your reach in the feed and explore. Tap continue. Under limits, you can set who to limit. By default, accounts that are not following you and recent followers are in limits. You can toggle on-off accounts that are not following you, or you can toggle off or on recent followers. These accounts started following you in the last week. How long to limit for? By default, limit for 1 week selected. Tap 1 week. Here you can set days and weeks. For weeks, you can set 1 to 4 weeks. Choose the date range and tap set reminder. Here I have selected 3 weeks. Now it's a time to turn on limits. Just tap turn on. You turned on limits. That's it. Go back to privacy settings and check limits on. So these are the steps to use limits on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.